Good morning, everybody. This is Walmart Rob coming to you guys from Donner Pass. After a long awaited time of, wanting to do this video, it's finally here. Your chain up video. Stay tuned. Welcome back, everybody. Again, it's Walmart Rob with you guys, and today our highly anticipated time has come here. We're going to be doing the chaining video, so stick with me. We're going to go through the process here. I'm going to get out and set up a chain, so I'm going to let this video keep running so you can see the process completely. So first of all, guys, you want to lay out your chain, and the way we're going to lay out the chain is we're trying to make sure that all our links are on there and that the chain is in the correct position. And I'm going to show you right now. You guys always want to lay the chain out to where the hooks are facing upwards. That way, when you put your chain on, well, actually we're gonna have to use another chain. This one is busted. That's all right. That's what we have plenty of chain. So again, we'll lay it out. Always want to make sure that our hooks are out. I'm sorry, hooks are up, and make sure that the links on the chain are all intact. That way you know that they're working properly. I always stretch them out just to make sure, that everything is set on there right, that our cams are all up. And I'm walking back to you guys right now. So pretty much what we're gonna need is your chain, a spider, and your tool to tighten up the cams on your chain. So let me show you right now how we have this laid out here. As you can see, the links on them have to be facing up, because that when we set the tire, this is going to be pretty much on top of our tire, and you'll see right now. I'll set the tire and you'll see right now. We throw the chain on top of the tire, and we Okay guys, welcome back. So as you can see, the links on our
our chains, we put them upwards on the tire so it doesn't rip your tire. So, and I like to always leave this much slack on it, so when we go to roll the tires, the chain goes underneath it and we're able to hook it up to the other side. Inside, we just adjust it the same way. As you can see, the chain's already all in there. And now all we gotta do is roll it. So be back with you guys in a quick second here. Okay, everybody, you can see that we have already rolled the chain over. I'm making sure just to extend this thing here. So now what we're gonna do is, as you can see, the hook's in here. We're gonna pull up the first chain, which is this one, on the inner part, and we're gonna count at least 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Bend it, and give me a second here. We're gonna hook it to this hook right here. It doesn't matter how many links it hooks onto, we just want to make sure that it links up to. So give me a second. So I did, on the other side I did 2 links, and now I'm going to do it on the outer part of the tire, which is going to go 2 links into there. So let me link it real quick. Let me put it on. I'm going to set the code up. As you guys can see, I linked it. 2 links as I did the other side. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna tighten up these cams, and I always like to start with the bottom one first because it's always the easiest. As you can see, that is in the lock position. Two. I'm gonna take this key right here. Let me focus it on it, and we're gonna put it in there, and we're gonna twist it. Sorry about that, guys. Twist it. I'm trying not to be as much vocal, that way you guys can be seeing what I'm doing. So we tightened up 1, 2, 3, and now I need the last one right here. And that's 4. So now our chain is completely on our tire. Next step to do is to put this spider with these hooks outward. Always hook the top one first. Next one, get the bottom one and hook it there on the bottom, and then just spread evenly. Sorry about that. The hooks. Spread them evenly. and your chain should look like that once you're done. That's the way you put chains on. Again, guys, I had to redo this video due to the fact that my camera got busted, but that's how we put the chains on. Now to remove, it's simple. All we got to do is go backwards on everything, but at this point right here, in order to make sure your chains are all nice and tight, you want to roll forward 5 feet, stop, recheck your chains, make sure they're tight, and if they're all good, you're good to go. And you do that to for California, for minimum chains, you got to look at your guys' state laws for chaining. But here in California, it's for minimum chains is both outer drives on the rear, both outer tires on the rear. Maximum chains, both axles, outer tires on both sides, and on the back, it'll be your back of the trailer. It'll be your last axle, outer tire. So again, guys, just to make sure that you're compliant with your whatever state you're driving through, and make sure you check chain laws. All you got to do is go to their Department of Transportation website, and you should be able to obtain some information there. Now what we're going to do is remove the chains. So I'm going to set my phone down. You'll hear a little silence, but you'll be able to see what I'm doing. First thing comes off. Next we will undo our cams. You need your key. Always start at the top and work your way to the bottom. Step 2. Step 3, you want to undo the links to release the chains. Step 4, pull the chain. Lay it out to your tire, along with this part of the trailer. And what we're going to do is we'll roll the truck backwards and pull the chain out, put it on our chain rack, and we're good to go. Be back in a... Okay, guys.
¿Qué? ¿Estás streameando o qué?
No, hago videos para YouTube.
Oh.
Sí.
Okay.
So ando ahorita haciendo videos de cadenas que todos lo han pedido, aunque ya se acabó la temporada de cadenas, pero si quieres decirle a todos, vamos a estar en vivo hoy en la tarde.
Okay.
So, mi canal es Walmart Rob. So, ahorita estamos entrenando, ya les enseñamos cómo poner cadenas, estamos enseñándole cómo cuidar cadenas. So, as you guys can see, we have another driver with us right now, and pretty much just telling them what we're doing. So right now all we're gonna do is hang up our chains and we should be done. Be back with you guys in a second. Okay guys, welcome back. Just talking to the driver right now, but now our next thing to do is that we're gonna pick up our chains, hang them up, and it'll be done. So well guys, let me go back a little bit so you can see. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go inside the truck so we can brief on what we did,
Probably not the most perfect video. We will probably redo it sometime in the near future as soon as we get our camera in, and hopefully this video works out for you guys. I mean, again, there's different ways of doing it. If you guys want to drop down your comments down below, that way we can share with other drivers. So I mean, my way is not the only way. There are other ways people like to do. They use blocks, woods, you know, different ways, and it's all perfectly fine. But I will see you guys in a quick second here. Hopefully these videos have been good to you guys. The chaining video, we try to do our best we could on, given the circumstance that we had, our camera going bad and everything, losing footage. But we do have a new camera on the way, and if we have to, we will redo it. But hopefully this gives you guys an advantage on or an idea of how to chain up. We do apologize for the poor audio. We're recording off our phone this time, so you know, drop down below any questions you have. You know, let us know if you have any different ideas on how to chain up, or if you think I missed a part on how to chain up or something. Let me know. I mean, I'm always open to suggestions. I mean, I'm not perfect, you know, but we try to do the best that we can given the certain circumstances that we have. So with that being said, you guys, this is Walmart Rob. Keep in touch.